So this design is primarily relying on additive manufacturing, which is 3D printing. And the hope is that you can be able to 3D print or digitally design a prosthetic socket and then 3D print a socket for someone who lives maybe in a rural area or 10 miles away without them having to come to the clinic. And then you can design it very well and send it to them, and they will be able to easily figure out how to use it, and it will be functional. And obviously 3D printing is the way of the future, and we are looking into the future right now. So right now we are using Ninja Flex, nylon, and ABS plastics to make prototypes, but we haven't really decided on a final material for the final product. We are still in the prototyping phase, so we are exploring all different kind of 3D printable materials that are gentle to the skin and are not going to cause any discomfort, because discomfort is something we want to avoid. And yeah, and we are looking into environmentally friendly materials, because we want to, you know, not just provide comfort and a good working prosthetics for an amputee, but we also want to make sure we are being environmentally friendly, like thinking broadly instead of just one thing. Yeah. So for the final prosthetic socket we designed, some of the materials we used right now, we use this material called Ninja Flex, and Ninja Flex is very good because it's flexible, and when you touch it, it feels smooth and gentle, and you can bend it in either way and it will not break. And then we are exploring the use of nylon, and nylon is slightly it's slightly stronger than Ninja Flex. If you think of the tensile strength, it's not as flexible, but we are thinking of it in terms of the covering, and the Ninja Flex, we are thinking of it in terms of the inside, like what the layer that's gonna come in direct contact with the amputee's residual limb. And then we've also printed the outside prosthetic sockets with ABS plastic, and that's really strong. It doesn't actually move. It works more like a carbon fiber. This is what we have for now, but we are looking into other materials.